Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on your iPhone with a PlayStation 4 controller. First, ensure your iPhone's Bluetooth is active. Then, put your PlayStation 4 controller into pairing mode by pressing and holding the Share and PlayStation buttons together until the light bar flashes. Finally, open your iPhone's Bluetooth settings and select the DualShock 4 wireless controller to establish the connection. This initial setup is quick and straightforward. It's important to understand that PUBG Mobile does not natively support game controllers for direct gameplay. This means simply connecting your PlayStation 4 controller won't allow you to play immediately. Instead, you'll need to use a third-party key mapping application. These clever tools act as an intermediary, translating your controller's button presses and joystick movements into the touchscreen taps and swipes that the game recognizes. This step is crucial for making your controller functional. Once you understand the need for key mapping, the next step is to acquire a suitable application. Search your iPhone's App Store for well-reviewed key mapping tools designed for controllers. After installation, you'll spend some time configuring the app, assigning each controller button and joystick movement to specific areas on the game's touch interface. Remember to test your new control scheme extensively in a practice match to ensure everything works as expected before diving into competitive play. To truly master playing PUBG Mobile with your PlayStation 4 controller, consider these tips. Fine-tune the controller sensitivity within your key mapping application to achieve precise aiming and smooth movement. Also, customize your in-game heads-up display, or HUD, to align perfectly with your controller's button assignments. Finally, consistent practice is key. The more you play, the more natural and intuitive your controller-based gameplay will become, giving you a significant advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.